Good morning, children. Today I am going to tell the story The Naughty Onion. Before narrating the story, I read it. Listen attentively. Okay? Let's move on to reading. The Naughty Onion. Gopu went to the market. He bought a kilo of onions from the vegetable seller. Some were big, some were small, some were really tiny, some were pink, some were red, and some were almost white. He put them in a large paper packet and kept them in a corner on the floor. He was very tired. Knowing that nobody was at home, he went to the living room, sat on a sofa, switched on the air conditioner, and soon fell asleep. There was one naughty pink onion in the packet. He told the other onions to jump out of the packet. Some went under the cupboard, some went into a corner, and some hid behind the dustbin. Oh, they went everywhere. The paper packet was soon empty. Then it was time for dinner. Gopu came into the kitchen to cook food. Oh dear, where have all the onions gone? Cried Gopu. He looked everywhere, but he couldn't find them. Suddenly he heard a soft voice. Gopu, I am here, find me. The voice came from a pot. He looked inside. He found a large pink onion sitting inside happily. Soon he heard other voices from the dustbin, the oven, and all over the kitchen. Gopu took a long time collecting all the onions. That day dinner was really late. It was all because of the naughty onions. Dear children, read the story with correct pronunciation twice. Here I have read the words switched and looked. Children, don't pronounce like switched and looked. Here ch and k sounds. These are consonant voiceless sounds. So the ed ending sounds like t. Remember P, F, C, H, T, S, SH and D ending verb base in past tense for regular verbs sounds like t. Okay. In this story, we can see only two new words, tiny and naughty. Tiny means small, naughty means causing trouble. We call a boy or a girl who makes more trouble to their parents like a naughty boy or a naughty girl. Okay? Let's listen the story. One day, Gopu went to the market. Where did Gopu go? Yes, Gopu went to the market. Did you see a market, children? Look at this picture. This is a market. Here we can see more number of shops, crowd and more vehicles. Here Gopu bought a kilo of onions from the market. Look at this picture. This is a kilo of onions. How much onions did Gopu buy? Yes, Gopu bought a kilo of onions. He bought the onions from the vegetable seller. Look at this picture. He is a vegetable seller. What's he doing? He is selling onions. How were the onions? Some were big. Look at this picture. These are big onions. Some were small. These are small onions. Some were really tiny. What is the meaning of the word tiny? Tiny means very small. Already you knew it. Look at this picture. These are tiny. In this story, we can see different colors of onions. Some were pink, some were red, and some were almost white. Big, small, tiny, pink, red, white, these are all describing words which describes the onions. Then what happened? Gopu put all the onions in a large paper packet. Look at this picture. This is a large paper packet. He kept the pocket in a corner on the floor. Where is the packet? Look at the picture and tell me. Yes, the packet is in a corner on the floor. Gopu was very tired. Knowing that nobody was at home, he went to the living room. This is a living room. He sat on a sofa, switched on the air conditioner. This is an air conditioner. Somewhere you can see it. And soon he fell asleep because of his tiredness. At the moment, a pink naughty onion told the other onions to jump out of the packet. How naughty it is, isn't it? Look at this picture. Some went under the cupboard because of the naughty onions. Guidance. Some went into a corner. Some hid behind the dustbin. Oh, they went everywhere. The paper packet was soon empty. Then it was time for dinner. Dinner means the main meal of the day, eaten in the middle of the day or in the evening. Look at this picture. Gopu came into the kitchen to cook food. Oh dear, where have all the onions gone? Cried Gopu. He looked everywhere, but he couldn't find them. Where did they go? Suddenly he heard a soft voice. Gopu, I am here, find me. The voice came from a pot. Gopu looked inside. He found a large pink onion is sitting inside happily. Soon he heard other voice from the dustbin. Then the oven. Look at this is oven. Then he looked all over the kitchen. He took a long time collecting all the onions. That day dinner was really late. It was all because of the naughty onions. How was the story, children? Did you enjoy the story? Okay. Now your turn. Narrate the story in your own words or sentences. Okay, try. Here, I want to check your comprehension. I ask a few questions, try to answer me. First question, what did Gopu buy from the market? Recall? Good. Gopu bought a kilo of onions from the market. Second question, what did the naughty onions ask the others to do? Tell me. The naughty onions asked the others to jump out of the packet. Third one, why do you think the dinner was a bit late? Here you can think the dinner was a bit late because of the naughty onions. Children, write down all the answers in your notebook. Okay, thank you.